Nuclear explosion produce many radioactive elements as a consequence of uranium and plutonium fission and neutron capture reactions. In today's episode, we are going to show the 10 facts about nuclear disaster in world history. Nuclear explosion can release high levels of radiation energy that removes electrons from atom and can damage DNA. In August 1945, the United States dropped two atomic bombs on Japanese cities Hiroshima and Nagasaki, making the first disastrous impact on nuclear energy. In 1957, the United Nations created the International Atomic Energy Agency, an organization to promote peace and safety regulation standards with nuclear technologies. In 1958, Britain's Direct Action Committee Against Nuclear War was formed to promote non-violent direct action to obtain the total renunciation of nuclear war and its weapon by Britain and all other countries as a first step in disagreement. While areas around a nuclear explosion are immediately exposed, radiation can also remain in the atmosphere for decades, traveling great distance before settle to ground level air on Earth's surface. In 1979, there was a nuclear power plant accident on Pennsylvania's 3 Miles Island. The disaster exposed 2 million nearby residents to low-risk radiation. It took 14 years and $975 million to clean up. In 1986, explosion at the Chernobyl power plant, Ukraine, killed 30 workers and forced 300,000 residents to relocate. The disaster released 100 times more than radiation than the atom bombs dropped in Japan in World War II. The most powerful nuclear weapon ever detonated was Russia's Tsar Bomba. It is also the single most physically powerful device as created by man, with a mushroom cloud over 40 miles high and the base of the cloud 25 miles wide. Disposing of one outer clothing can remove up to 90% of radioactive material after a nuclear disaster. Japan has had 3 nuclear power plant accidents since 1999. Its most recent one, the 2011 at the Fukushima nuclear power plant, occurred after 9.0 magnitude earthquake and subsequent tsunami damaged cooling system. After Japan nuclear disaster in 2011, several countries have rethought the use of nuclear energy. Germany plans to close all the reactors by 2021, and Italy and Switzerland have halted expanding their nuclear power plant. So viewer, what about your opinion in our today's episode? Please leave your valuable comment in our comment section and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Until then, take care and good luck.